Yeah, we'll go with take two here. I forgot to have the mic on there. LGVN, we do this in real time, every time. We're talking about levels of support and resistance. This one here almost did it perfectly. Okay, so we come up, we come back, and we push through that level again, and then we're coming back and we're holding resistance, right? So if we wanted to draw this, potentially we could just draw it as like a, up, down, up, and then we're holding support, right? Like this is the crucial point. So where do you take the trade? Well, that's a tough choice. The way I've got it drawn here is that the trade is taken right here on this second break, right? Now, would it have been a great trade? Let's measure it. 7-8%, but how did you know when it was going to turn back? So maybe more like 5% at the end of the day? Well, that's a tough call, right? But we're talking about the levels and how it's respecting all the levels here. This is this chart, this ticker has been absolutely fantastic for keeping levels straight and go. Where would we take the trade? Yeah, I don't know if I can. I've got one set up here at 12, but I mean, I don't know if I can do that. Yeah, it's peeling back now, so I don't know. Again, you're supposed to keep it simple. So this is the second time it's broken down into the line, into the level, into the like this is, it should be a support level. So do you take the trade now? This isn't my style of trading, this dip and rip. Or I don't even know if it's a dip and rip, but it's a I'm having a hard time today, for sure. It's not working out the best for me. That would really straighten up. Well, our risk would have to change then, right? We'd have to change our risk to 23 probably. And then we'd have to, our entry would need to be like, say, 47, 48. So 11.48, let's just say. So there's a $105 risk with the same reward, right? 1305, give or take. Varello there said he wouldn't take it at 1305. He'd probably take it at 1299. So that's that could be a small detail that he just doesn't. He says take it before the round number, but you don't always know, right? Yeah, and then is this my play? No, it's not my play, right? So I don't know if I'm probably not going to take it. We'll wait and see if it works, but I don't think we're going to take this trade. And the volume's really thinning out here as well, if you noticed. Well, lo and behold, that might have worked out a little bit. 48. I wanted to take the break here, right? So 3.5%, 4%, and now it's ripping right back. It's ripping right back. So there's our 48 line. And that was really fast. So it was up and back, and you're in the hole now, all within 2 minutes. Or less. It's a tough day today. I gotta stop with that sound too. It's a tough day. It's a tough day, man. Okay, so now you get the pattern, but you get the wrong time of day. We've got volume coming in, we've got a pattern, but we have the wrong time of day. We're also breaking out on the high of day. It's holding support so far. It's holding support. Yeah, it's got a pattern, and this thing has really good levels, respective levels. It's hard to see everything when it's not panned out, but I don't know. Our next logical spot's up around 13, I believe. So it looks like you got $1 of movement here if we can get it. $1 of movement is approximately worth 7 or 8%. So interested. Like it's it's been a tough day. It's the wrong time of day. This is a trap. I think ultimately it'll probably stop and fail. So I'm not gonna bother. Well, here it goes. But is that the push soak, and then it's gonna rip down? I think the wrong time of day will prevail here. I really do. Okay, I made a good call on the first push there that it was going to break because the wrong time of day. Now are we going to get our potentially a double top here? Are we going to get a double top here? Respecting the levels. Let's see how it's starting to get a little bit choppier. But still, the levels are still all... Look at this. Look at this. That's perfect. The levels are all still here. Crazy. That's awesome. If anybody, if you need a little bit of a hint here or a hand of what I'm looking at. Boom. Like, yeah, wow. Wow. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant levels. So, is it going to fail here or not? We're going to have to wait and see. Again, I don't think I'm going to take the trade. It's 1:07 p.m. You can see it here at the bottom here, this 13:07. That's the real time. Now, I'm not saying that the time and day is like this golden... it could break out of here. The odds are that it won't. Well, like I said, the pattern is there. It's just it was the wrong time of day. We're having a bit of volume, but it's not like a ton of volume. So it did work, after all. What was the move? That was the real question, right? Let's just say we grabbed it. So 7%. Where are we going to stop before it pulls back? See, was that the move? Was that enough? So potentially thinking that is a logical spot for it to kind of want to turn around. I got that from the open. This was actually from a 5-minute chart, but I got it from the open of the other day on a 5-minute candle. Yeah, which might mean fucking nothing. Yeah, it might mean nothing. But we'll see. There might be a logical target there. Again, kind of. And watch this turn around now. Let's just see if it does it. If it doesn't catch that support level there, which was a 5-minute candle line that didn't really... Maybe, because look at it. Came up and into it, broke through it hard. If it comes back and holds this 5-minute, I don't know, potentially that's something, right? And then where do you take it now? You take it right on the 5-minute and then only risk below it? What was this thing? It was the box theory. Take the box, set the stop. Wait for it to build a box and break out of that box. Yeah, it's the same theory. That was... So anyway, they're breaking down now. I'm a little disappointed we missed that trade, but... So it was another one around the corner. So it looks like it held support. And we might... Ooh, that's so close. Looks like we held support. Oh, is it to the letter? Oh, 1409. This was the high, was 1410. So no, it broke the high. But still a double top. Yeah, we're going to get a big reversal. Look at how far away we are. Put it in perspective. How far away we are from the VWAP right now. in time. Let's just go like that kind of thing. To be mindful of that. Our distance here, right? Because this will change. The gap will change. This will move. So, is it going to want to yank back to the VWAP? Yes, it's the walk and the dog theory. It's always going to want to come back and stick close to the moving averages. It's really kind of crazy on how well it's respecting the levels. And then what's the really crazy part is how shitty I'm trading it. It's like it's too predictable, and I don't think it's going to actually do it. But lo and behold, it fucking does it. So I'm a little bit... I said this the other day when we were playing this one. I said, if it comes back around, we need to respect the levels and just fucking trade it. God damn it. It seems like it's too easy, too good to be true. Yeah, 2 big scoops of crow for me. Have a little spell of the chatty, whatever the fuck. Jumpins. When did that come off a halt? For 2 minutes ago. See what happens when I don't get... I'm not even in the trade, really. Like, I'm not in the trade. But look at the trade. It's actually again, a no failure trade. Other than being overly careful. Like, that's the overly careful. Interesting. Huh. Again, I'm not the best at trading easy trading. I don't know. I always seem to miss these ones, the big moves. Yeah, we're at 68% and 70 million shares traded. So I guess our work's cut out for us, eh? I don't know, I guess once I get it into my head, my attitude is don't chase it. I don't chase it, because I've had these fail so many times that, yeah, it's not worth it.